regression. Linear regression. So this is the highest stat. When you will make your thesis, you use this. There are two, wherein summation of x, summation of y, and then summation of x squared, and then summation of x and y. So for x, we have 4, 2, 3, 5, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3. Wherein equals to 35 and n is 10. Okay, so for our y, we have 148, 128, it follows. And then the last is 127, total 1,397. So that is total of y, total of x. Now, total of x squared. You square 4 times 4 will give you 16. 2 and 2, 4. 3 and 3, 9. 5 and 5, 25. 2 and 2, 4. Okay, 3 and 3, 9. So that is how we get the summation total of x squared, wherein that is 133. Can you follow, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then we have summation of x squared. X and y, I should say. I am very sorry. Okay, so summation of x and y. Now, x and y total, so we will multiply x from y. So 4 times 148 will give you 592. Check it. Check it. And then 2 times 128 will give you 256. Check it. Okay? So that is how we solve for summation of x and y 5,004. Now, so we have here now the equation, guys. So we have n of 10. We have n of 10. We have n of 10. Now, our equation for a, n times summation of x and y minus close and open summation of x, then close and open summation of y. And then divided by n summation of x squared minus then close and open summation of x squared. Excuse me. Okay. So we will now substitute a. So we have n of 10. And then summation of x and y, there 5,000 minus summation of x 35, summation of y 1,397. So we have n 10 summation of x squared, we have 133 minus we have summation of x 35 squared. Okay. Now, so we will multiply 10 from 5,004 will give you 50,040 minus we will multiply 35 from 1,397. So we have 48,895 over. Okay, we will multiply n from 133. Okay, so we have 10 times 133 will give you okay, minus, and then the square of 35 is 1,225. Now, so we will subtract 50,040 from 48,895. Subtract it. Okay, 1,145. Thank you, Idol. Ang galing. Okay. So, 1,330 minus 1,225. 109. So, okay. So, that is 109. Alright. Okay guys, so our final answer from A is 109. 109. Okay? For B. For B, we have summation of y minus A close and open summation of x over n. Okay, what is our summation of y na naman? 1 to Okay. So, B na tayo. Summation of y, 1,397. And we have minus A summation of x. A summation of x. So, what is our A? 10.9 times summation of x times 35. Ito?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm very sorry. Because you know already, we have already gone so high in stat. That's why. Presumably, you know it. Okay. So, summation of B is equal to summation of y minus A times summation of x over n. So, summation of y, we have summation of y, we have ilan? 1397 minus. Okay. So, dito, please multiply 10.9 from summation of x 35. Multiply it. 10.9 times 35.
381.5.
So, here. Yeah. Then, n is 10. Okay, simply divide. 13, subtract first. 1397 minus 381.5. Okay, ito. Over 10. So, divide then 15.5 from 10. Divide.
101.
So, that is B. So, that is how we get linear regression. That is how we get linear regression.